My daughter has a Jeep Grand Cherokee and the battery is dead, so we are going to change that today. So the first thing I'm going to do is she has this fancy case on it, so I'm using a picking tool in order to get access to the key itself. And I will put links in the description to all the components I'm using. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to remove this key. So we'll set that aside. Now you have this slot right here, so we're going to use a large screwdriver. Just stick that in and just give it a twist. Now we can gently separate this part. Not sure why there's a little piece of paper in there. That is our battery. Notice the orientation. I have a new CR2032 battery. So again, using the picking tool, I'm going to pop out the battery. And I will place the new battery in, properly oriented. Now I can replace the cover, line it up, and just go around gently, squeezing to get it all nice and snug. There you go. Now we can slide our key back in, and we can slide it back into her little cover. I will put links in the description to all the components that I used. And that's it. You've changed the battery on your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.